cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make hot chocolate. So for that you need to take a saucepan and add 3 cups of whole milk. And then let the milk come to a boil and then add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You need to sift the cocoa powder so that there are no lumps in it. So using a spoon, I am breaking the lumps into the powder form and then it can be sifted easily. Now using a whisk the milk properly until the cocoa powder is dissolved in the milk. Now you need to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and then again continue whisking so that the sugar is dissolved in the milk. Now add a pinch of salt. Next, you need to add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Now you need to add chocolate chips or pieces of chocolate in the milk of your choice. It can be either dark chocolate or milk chocolate. I have used milk chocolate. Now whisk until all the ingredients get dissolved completely. Now serve your hot chocolate topped with whipped cream and chocolate syrup. Now my hot chocolate is ready, so it's your turn to try it out and say me in the comment section how it tasted.